People, this video is for absolutely beginners. I did this video for you, so do not scroll, do not go away, stay there. This is for you. It's a rumba, and I'm playing it in which key? This is E. 1 4 5 4. So it's E 1 rumba 4 5 4. So I'm starting like this. Absolutely beginners, only beginners. So you start on the right. This one will so I'll go. I will first go. I will start from the 5th strings. This is 1. And then you will come here again after. Okay. 4 So let me go slowly. I'm not playing the fast, and then right after there, are we together? We'll go. And then this one will come. See, I'm here. This one will come. So you'll come here. again. Okay, let me go slowly. So we are there. After you will come again. You start there. After and then you play. You start here on the fifth. Are we together? So and then huh? I need you to play it properly, to play it very well and very good, so that it can help you. And then same process. Are we together now? And then do not forget this one when I'm playing this movement. Then we will go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So down, up. Sorry. So let us go in with speed. Do it very good, it will help you. I'm joining Office Solaro. You are new, just subscribe on on this video, subscribe and then tell us how you had the lesson, how you know how you got this lesson, and my God will bless you. Thanks very much and bye bye. You need to contact me. My number is on my profile. Just contact me on WhatsApp. Have a nice day, nice night, nice morning. It will depend on the country you are watching me from. Thanks. And if you need a beat, we have our studio. You can just inbox me, and then we'll know how we can talk. We'll see how we can do it, and then I'll do it for you. Thanks. Bye bye.